Today I'm going to show you how to organize your book box. Remember, your book box is a place for your books and your personal materials. As you can see on my screen here, I have shown you all the materials that we're going to put in our book box, and I'm going to walk through step by step with you on the order they should go in your book box. As you can see, I have two chapter books ready to go into my book box. I have Bridge to Terabithia and Percy Jackson. I have two books here for two different reasons. The first reason is I might want to break from reading one of them, so I'm going to have a backup to read on a day that I'm not feeling like reading one of them. The second reason is if I'm reading Bridge to Terabithia and I finish it, but I still have more time during independent reading, instead of getting up and disrupting the rest of the class, I can just pull out Percy Jackson and start reading that book instead. Then later on throughout the day, when I have more free time, I can go and switch out the books that I finished. So the two books that you're reading from your classroom library are going to go first in your book box because, as we know, they're the very most used things in this book box. Behind it, I'm going to put the reader's notebook because, as you know, we also use this almost every single day. Behind the reader's notebook, I'm going to put the writing folder and the word study folder because those are the two folders that we use throughout the week, but we might not pull for them every single day. And then we're going to have our poetry notebook go in last because while poetry is important and we do use it, we do not use it every single day. Does this make sense to you? If it does, go ahead and grab your book box and start organizing your materials quietly at your desk. If you need more help, rewatch the video and then ask your teacher for more clarification.